So now this video is for HCF. HCF trick solve in seconds. Example, if you take 4 and 8. 4 and 8. In regular way we will do this as 4 HCF is 2 2s are 2 1s are. So 2 into 1 is the 4, and 8 HCF is, we can write it as this 8. 2 4s are 2 2 is and 2 into 1, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. HCF of 4 and 8 is HCF of 4 and 8 is 2 into 2 into 1 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. We can take it as this 2 common 2 into 2 is 4. In regular method, this is the biggest this is the procedure to solve the HCF value 4 and 8. This is the big process. I will tell you in just a few seconds if you can solve it in 4 and 8. Now this is the take as difference. 4 minus 8 is 4. So 4 is divisible by this 4 and 8. 4 is divisible by 4 also and 8 also. So 4 is divisible by 4 and also 8. So the answer is 4. Both values it is divisible by both values. So the answer is 4. Next problem we will see it as 6 and 12. 6 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 is divisible by 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 6. So answer is 6. And next problem we will see it as 50, 70 and 85. And 8. So that we should take it as difference. 70 minus 50 is 20 and 85 minus 70 is 15. We should take as least value. Least value we should take as take 15. 15 is check the divisible by these values or not. 50 and 15 is not divisible by 50, and also 70 is also not divisible. So that we should take factors. It's not divisible by 50 and also 70 and also 80. It is not divisible by 50, 70 and 85. So we should take it as factors. Factors is 5 into 3 into 1. So 5 is divisible by, check whether the 5 is divisible by 50 and 70 and also 85. So 5 is divisible by 50, 70 and 85. So both all three values are divisible by 5. So these three values are divisible by 5. So answer is 5. HCF of, you can also solve it, you can also check it by regular method also, but this is a lengthy, if I check all the values, it's a lengthy process, so I am taking this. HCF of 50, 70 and 85 is 5. The 5 is the answer. Next question I will solve it. 17, 23, 27 and also 29. So the 20 here the least difference is 27 minus least difference is 2. Here 4 is the difference. So least difference we should take it as. So least difference is 2. 2 is divisible. Check the divisible process. 2 is not divisible by 17, 23 and 27, 29 also not divisible. So take the factors. 2 is not divisible by 17, 23 and 27 and 29. So take the values, take factors for 2. Take factors for 2. 2 factor is 2 into 1. But 2 is not divisible by these values. So 1 is the answer. 1 is divisible by all these values. So 1 is the answer. HCF of 17, 23, 27 and 29 is 1. So the answer is 1. Do follow for more videos. Thanks for watching.